Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use long tail keywords to find your target audience. And using long tail keywords will usually in return have a higher conversion rate because they're more specific towards people who are searching for your products and services. Make sure to watch all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to show you step by step how long tail keywords work. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. And don't forget to join my Handmade Boss community to get access to free worksheets, checklists, and freebies. I will leave the link below. So let's go ahead and get started. What are long tail keywords? So long tail keywords or key phrases that are more specific and usually longer than the most common search for keywords. And long tail keywords also get less traffic, but will usually have a higher conversion value as they're more specific to what people are looking for. So how do you know if it's a long tail keyword? A long tail keyword consists of 3 to 4 keyword phrases which are very specific to whatever you're selling. So keep in mind, studies have shown that people who search for a specific search phrase tend to have a higher conversion rate because they are searching for what they want. So a long tail keyword example would be rustic wedding sign. When somebody types in those specific keywords, they know exactly what they're looking for and they're searching for an intent to buy. So therefore, your conversion rate is going to be a lot higher because they're searching something specific versus when they just type in the word signs. Maybe they're just browsing, trying to get an idea. But when they type in these long tail keywords, these type of buyers are searching basically with the intent to go ahead and make a purchase. And this is why it's important to start using long tail keywords to go ahead and target your target audience and increase your Etsy sales overall. So I'm going to go ahead and do a search for shoes, and I'm going to walk you through so you could put all the pieces together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's just use an example that I sell women's shoes. If you were to type in the word shoes and do a search on it on Etsy search results, you could see that this tag is very, very popular. It has over 668,000 listings using the word shoes. So if I was a seller and I wanted to use this keyword, I'm making a lot of mistakes. The biggest mistake is that it's too broad. I'm not really targeting my ideal customer. On top of that, it's too much competition. So if I wanted to just rank organically for this keyword in the first page of Etsy, it's not going to happen. There's 668,000 other people doing the same thing. And on top of that, if I wanted to run an Etsy promoted listing, my cost per click is going to be 94 cents. That's what the competition is willing to pay higher than what the cost per click is. So people are paying more than what Etsy charges in order to land on the first page of Etsy. That's crazy. I have to pay 94 cents per click. Now, some keywords, it doesn't matter if you have a long tail keyword or not. Some keywords are going to be a little bit higher cost per click because of whatever you sell might be in a very competitive niche, and that's the reason why. And this is a prime example of shoes. Now, if you do Etsy promoted listing on a keyword that's targeting your ideal customer, and it happens to be that the cost per click is high, then go ahead and run a promoted listing because you're still targeting your customer. So if you get some sales, it's gonna, you're most likely gonna get sales. However, if you use a keyword that is too broad and you run an Etsy promoted listing, two things could happen. One, you could run the promoted listing and say, I'm gonna lower my cost per click to 45 cents, and you are just wasting money because what's gonna happen is Etsy is here to make money. It's here to make money. So therefore, if you decide that you want to pay 40 cents per click, your ad is not going to show up in the first or second page of Etsy. Etsy is going to prioritize the promoted listing based on what you're paying. So people who pay the highest have a greatest chance of appearing in the first page of Etsy. People that want to pay, let's say you lower your cost per click to 45 cents per click, you're going to appear in maybe in the 5th, 6th, and 7th. But you also got to keep in mind that when people are searching for anything online, they might go to the first page or second, maybe even the third. After that, they're not going to go to page 8, page 20, page 30. And if your listings are drowning in the search results, you're not going to get seen. Another thing is, if you wanted to compete with a specific keyword, you will need to pay the 94 cents per click. However, that doesn't guarantee a sale, only because you're showing your products and services to anybody and everybody. And this is the biggest mistake that many Etsy sellers make, is that they show their products to the wrong people. They get a lot of views, a lot of impressions, but they're not getting the sales. And this is the main reason why. They're not targeting their target audience. So therefore, they're just showing the products to the wrong people. Now, another reason why you don't want to use a keyword that's too broad is because, as you can see, when I type in the word shoes, if I sell, let's say, women's running shoes, these are sandals, these are kids' shoes, these are sandals here again. There's a variation of all these different types of shoes. So therefore, this is not a good keyword. Like I said, I'm showing the products to anybody and everybody that's searching for shoes that might not be specifically searching for women's running shoes. So a better way to use your money if you do promoted listings, or a better way to use tags that are going to drive your traffic, is using long tail keywords. So I'm going to use women's running shoes. And when I do this and I use a long tail keyword that specifies my type of audience, which is I sell running shoes for women, look at what happens. It's like magic. My competition went from 600,000 to 3,346 people or listings. So therefore, 3 things are happening now. 1, by using a long tail keyword, I'm targeting my ideal customer. 2, I'm landing on the first page of Etsy, most likely organically. And 3, if I wanted to run an ad, an Etsy promoted ad, even though the cost per click is still high, it's $1.16, I'm gonna get more sales most likely. Why? Because I'm showing my products or showing that specific ad to the right people, to people that are typing in women's running shoes and they have an intent to buy. So these specific people want to buy my shoes. So therefore, this is a great example of using a long tail keyword to kind of check the list of 3 things. I landed organically for it. If I run an ad, I'm targeting the right people. Also, if I run an ad, my ad is going to be on the first page of Etsy as well for this specific keyword. And on top of that, I'm targeting my ideal customer, which is the most important out of everything, because I'm showing my products and services to the people that want to buy from me. So this is how long tail keywords work to your advantage. And it's just what I just said like a million times, is to show your products to people who are actually specific searching for what you sell and they have an intent of buying at that given moment. So let me know in the comment area if you are currently using long tail keywords or not. And I hope that you enjoy this Etsy SEO tutorial. Please don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, sharing it in your favorite platform, and leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching.